Okay, so hello everyone. I'm back with part 2 of this live coding session. We're gonna continue off with what we built last time, which is actually I'll show you. What we built last time is this. So let me just delete this. And I just press that. Basically, we're able to auto-generate simple music tracks. So here's an example of the output. I'm not sure if you can hear that. I'll put this on speaker, so let's try that again. Yeah, so that's what we built last time. Let's try and improve upon it. So right now the beats are very simple. I think our recorder only used 2 percussion instruments, and the melody is based off a randomized pentatonic scale or C blues scale. So today I'm gonna try reconfigure or improve this algorithm so that it will resemble some K-pop music. So yeah, so if like this stuff, as I said, it's all built from the previous live stream. The link to that previous live stream is in the description below. So after this live stream, you can check that part 1 for context. But basically, just to recap, what we did was we used a library called MIDI file, and MIDI file basically contains all the instruments, all the sounds that we need to build our music tracks. And here we created an instrument class, and this is basically this instrument class can basically build any type of instrument that we want for our track. Then we have our list of values for the pentatonic and C blues scales, which represent our melody, and these numbers represent the MIDI numbers. So if I go into Google real quick, if I go into MIDI numbers, yeah, so that's basically what these numbers represent. And here we have our function that basically creates the instrument object. So basically, if I go into the documentation for the MIDI file, let's go into documentation, docs. Yep, so if we go to GM, yep, so here each instrument is assigned a GM number. So if we type in GM number MIDI instruments, I think this one looks good. Yeah, so here, so these are all instruments that are available in the MIDI library, and each instrument is assigned a number or index, and that's how we're able to pick which instruments that we want for our music track. So that's where this comes in. And once we pick our, so last time we selected 2 random percussion instruments and 1 random melody-based instrument, and this is where we have our randomization occurrence. So here, percussion instruments, we choose an instrument that has an index between 112 and 127, which in this case would be between, so it's from Tinkle Bell all the way to Applause. I think I left out Gunshot because it sounded a bit too like jarring. So yeah. Okay, and we also created a melody instrument with a value between 0 and 111. So that means we pick an instrument from acoustic grand piano all the way to fiddle. So these are our melody instruments. And for timing we gave random values, and basically this is the main bit which creates the notes. And just to those who just joined, if I create a track like this, boom, as you can see, enter here. Right now it's 8:39 p.m. my time. 8:39 this was created, and it sounds like this. So that's basically a quick recap of what we did last time. Alright, so let me just first clean this up. How do I clean this up? Alright, let me put this in a main function. And let me put this like that. So we have our thing like that. And actually, I think we better. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that works. Alright, cool. And now we're gonna try make this more K-pop sounding. So let me just Google search or common instruments in K-pop. Oh, cool! This one has pretty good summary. Oh, there we go. So, common instruments are these types. Nice. All right. So I guess we're just gonna limit our choices to these type of instruments, and then we're set. Okay. Okay, so in K-pop music, we have drum pads, drums, electric bass, keyboards. All right, so let's try find the MIDI index for these instruments, and then us put them into our code. So drum pad, where do we find a drum pad? Is that a synth pad? I don't know. Oh, is there no music here? Alright, let's skip drum pad. Drums. Do we have drums here? Oh, we got steel drums. Oh, we got synth drum. Let's have synth drum. So that's 119. Electric bass. I'm sure we have that up here somewhere. I should just use Control F. Bass. Oh, there we go. Yeah. What's the difference between finger and pick? We'll just do 34, 35. Alright, keyboards. That's piano, right? Piano counts as keyboard. No, this should be it. Alright, keyboards will be 1 all the way to 8. Oh wait, no, that's pianos. That should go here. Then what's keyboards? Wait, I want to make sure, are these GM numbers all the same across? Hello, YW. Welcome to the chat. Within the 100 lines? Yeah, so far it's under 100 lines, but I'm not sure. It might get really complicated and it may explode to like 2,000 lines. Alright, let's try this. Oh, it's the same website. Alright, so it seems like it's a consistent across everything, so we can go with this same code. Alright, sampler. What's a sampler? No, this doesn't have it here. What's a sampler? Oh, it's this thingy. Is that synth? Is that the same as a synth? Or synth pad? I think let's just go synth pad. Oh no, that's a synth. Oh no, wait, synthesize. You know what? Let's just go with this. Sequencer. What's that? I don't know what that is. Percussive. Alright, for drums, we should do 119. No, 119 synth drum. Alright, so for our instruments, we should. Alright, so how do we do this? Alright, so we need to change this. Percussion instrument. Okay. Alright. So we need to Alright. So let's create a function that returns a particular instrument. Alright, so we have drum pads. Jeff drum pad. Well, we have to think of the structure. We have to think of the structure for this. Alright, okay, what do we want to do here? So we have some of our instruments ready. How do we randomize these instruments? Oh, what up, Dawei? Welcome to the chat. Alright. Should we use a dictionary? If we use a dictionary. Alright, yeah, let's do a dictionary. Alright, so. Okay. Let's put up here. Instrument. GM numbers. Alright, so the idea is that we create a dictionary and we randomize, and then we actually, is there a way to randomly select keys in dictionary Python? Hey Nan, welcome to the chat. You tried coding again yesterday and so much harder than it looks. I respect you. Oh, thank you. I think coding is hard if you try to watch someone else or read someone else's code. But when you actually do it yourself and you know what you're doing, I think it will make I think it only makes sense to the person who's doing it. So yeah, it's quite intimidating at first when you watch someone else do it. So I just want to make sure we can find a random value from a dictionary. Oh, it does. It does. Okay, cool. That works. So let's create a dictionary. Alright, so how do we do this? So we're gonna do instrument dict, and that's going to be that. And we're going to have, let's say, drums. And drums would just be value of 1119. It'll just be So last time we used a tuple to represent the range of instruments. What if we only want one instrument? Do we still use a tuple? Actually, let's add in another drum into the mix, so we don't have to complicate it. Let's add in what's a melodic tone? melodic tom. What is that? Oh, tom tom drum. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's just add in all these drums. 115 to 1119. Yeah. And wait, is tuple inclusive? Oh no, I'm looking at range. We're looking at oops. We're looking at the range. So in this function, we're looking at random int. So is rand int Python inclusive? Rand range. Actually, let's just do our dictionary first. Let's do our dictionary first. Okay. Drums, we do between 115 and 119. Electric bass, that is 34 and 35. Oh, we do rand choice. Actually, I've got a better idea. We do. Oh no. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just. Yeah, I think that will be much better. Yeah. Alright, sorry guys. I'm like, if I keep talking to myself, I'm trying to think out loud, but I'm realizing that it doesn't sound coherent. But hopefully, I'll explain after I like get this stuff done. Yeah. So piano is this. Sampler, I think whatever that is. 89, 90, 91, 92, 6, and synth 97, 98, 99. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we got this. Okay, so instead of okay. So we're going to identify this. So we have a dictionary up here. We should capitalize it to show it's a global value. Same as melody scales to make sure it's a global value. Oh. Global value. Dai asked, are there any violins? We could add in violins, but I'm going by this article which states that in K-pop music, they usually don't have violins in K-pop music, so I'm just going by the instruments that they recommended here. But yeah, we'll see. Like if it sounds weird without any strings, then yeah, we'll add in strings. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Melody scales. Yeah. This one has to be capital. Oh. Cool. That's all capitalized. All right. Cool. All right. So in our main, we are going to choose our. Oh. Wait. We have to divide this between percussion and. Ah, snap. Alright, actually, we need to split this between percussion dictionary and melody dictionary. Because some instruments are more suitable for melody, while other instruments are more suitable for bass. So drums would definitely be in percussion, electric bass. Electric bass. Is that melody or electronic bass? Melody. Bass. I think this one's mainly bass. Piano is piano is definitely a melody. Sampler, is that? Actually, we can have both. We can have both in here. Doesn't matter. I think these are versatile things. Alright, cool. So we have this. So we're going to choose our percussion. Choose our percussion instrument. We're also going to need to choose our melody instrument. So for this one, I'm going to use this random, yeah. Oh, do we want values or do we want keys? What does this return? Okay. So we don't really care about the key. We only want the string. I mean, sorry, the values. So we just use this. So random choice list of perk dict values, and we'll do the same thing for melody. So that's mel dict values. And because we're not using this anymore, let me just comment this out. Perk dict equals create create instrument objects. Let's say we're going to create 2 percussion instruments, and we're going to go with choose percussion instrument. Oh, that doesn't work now because we're not using range anymore. We're going with this. Oh, okay. Oh, so we should do it inside there then. Oh, ooh, okay. We're gonna do it inside there. Actually, this should go inside here. This should go inside here. And I'm gonna make it like, okay. Oh, okay. GM numbers. Nigel said, ESsketch is an awesome Python library for generating beats. Okay, ESsketch. I've never heard of that before. Let's see what's it like. Oh, ESsketch. Seems legit. Oh wow, okay, this is way more. Okay. Oh, thanks for the suggestion. Yeah, Nigel. But I think because we're committed to the MIDI library, we're just gonna stick to it. But yeah, definitely I'll check that out next time. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Alright. Okay. Actually, let me just comment this whole thing out in case we need to save it. And then let's just copy this. We can reuse it. Okay. GM numbers. Instead of GM numbers, we should do instrument type. Now, if instrument type, if we specified it as if instrument type is perk. So if the argument is a percussion instrument, then we choose a percussion instrument. Else, if instrument type is melody, then we randomly choose a melody instrument. And just for good measure, if we do else, if none of them fit, then we just print invalid instrument type. Yeah. Okay, so that's our instrument type. And we got this. So actually, we don't need, we just do this like that. So this has got to change. So number of instruments is the same. This one's got to change. So we're not choosing a random range anymore. We're just choosing a random value inside this dictionary. So okay, what we just did here was eventually when we create our instrument, we're going to specify whether we want to create a percussion or a melody instrument. Whichever one we specify, for example, percussion, Python will go into the percussion dictionary and randomly select a percussion instrument. Once we randomly select the type of percussion instrument, then we're going to, when we randomly select a class, we select the class of instrument first, then we select the actual specific type of instrument. So that's what we're going to do. So here, if not seen in this, going to do this. So inst num equals random. Is it random dot choice as well? Random dot choice. Oh. Okay, then that's okay. We just do instrument class. We just do this. Because we're creating an instrument, we don't really need to specify the class here. We just do whatever instrument class we selected, pick a specific instrument type in that class. Yeah. Yep, that becomes that, and this should all be the same. Yeah. Hopefully that works. Okay. And going back to here, we don't need this anymore. So when we instantiate our instruments, okay, let's say we want to create, this is going to be confusing, percdict and percdict. Let's call this perk object dict. So let me just use the replace function. Find replace. So all perk dict, and we'll do case sensitive. That should be called perk object dict. So fine. So we've got these. Okay, cool. Replace. Alright, cool, that's done. And then for mail dict, we call this mail object dict. Okay, cool. That's done. Okie dokie. And instead of this, we just type in perk because we want to specify a percussion instrument. And here we want to specify, oh snap. Mel. Alright, let's see if this runs. Oh, nice, it ran. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay, did you guys hear that? Let's do one more. Alright, cool. Alright, so it seems like it's working, so we didn't mess up anything. Okay. So, take this off. Okay, so now, what do we do now? First of all, I'd like to know what instrument we created. So, in addition to returning the object, we'd like to know actually, I'd like to know what up here. Print. So printing the values. Actually, I'd like to know both the key and the value. So I'll use this items. I'll use items instead. Oh no. Okay. So inst class and inst gm. That will be dot items. And likewise, we do it up here. Inst class inst gm. We do items. And we want inst gm instead. So it will be random choice inst gm. Cool. And here we just print down what class we used. Int class. Actually, we don't need to do. We just do this once. Print int class because they both need to be instantiated. Cool. So let's see what instruments we used. So we used sampler and piano in this one. Let's see, what does that sound like? Okay, cool. Alright, cool. So the first tune gave a Megalovania Undertale vibe. Second gave Animal Crossing vibes. Sounded good. Thanks, dog. I like that. Yeah, I think when they have like those, I don't know what to call it. Like some instruments create that wholesome, farm animal vibe. Yeah. Okay. Let's okay, so here for now we've hard coded in the actual like so like in when it comes to music, right, for now what I'm like, if you listen to this again, it starts off very like it's just so sudden. Usually there needs to be a build up, right? So normally you have like only two instruments playing like alternatively against each other. For example, boom ta boom ta boom ta, and then after like a few seconds, another instrument comes in to play. Be like boom ta boom ta boom ta boom ta boom ta. Like another instrument comes in at some point, right? So let's form a build up. Let's make a build up. So first of all, let's increase this to a range of, let's say, 50. So this number indicates the number of notes, or the number of like I explained it last time. So each number, this is like a turn. So if I say 50, there'll be like 50 of these. Boom boom boom. And so last time we just alternated between P1 and P2. Eventually, right now, what I like to do is introduce P3 and P4 at some later point in the track. So let's do that. So first thing, we just need to create more instruments. So up here, instead of creating two percussion instruments, we're creating four, which means we're gonna have to add in P3, P4, and that'll be 2 and 3. And guys, this is why I love object-oriented programming, because once you establish a class, if you want to add in anything new, it's so simple. Just create new objects. Just what I love. So yeah. Ooh, so I love your cry said, hey, I found this screenwriter trying to fix something in our seek to seek model for making music. Are you using machine learning here? Good question. I'm not using machine learning yet. I'm just using simple randomizing functions. So no machine learning yet. I think machine learning will come to the point where I am able to actually produce legit tracks, and then I want to be able to like fine tune or select the best tracks. That's when I'll start thinking about machine learning. But for now, we're just trying to create stuff. So yeah. And T-Boy said, Cry For Me by Twice has strings in the intro. Yeah, like not like some songs do have strings, but I don't think it's a common instrument. It's mainly like pop music, like synthesizers and like lots of boom boom boom, you know. So yeah. Okay, what am I doing? Alright, so let's try add in these later instruments. So percussion line. Macro per time, macro mel time. Okay, so it's just the same thing that we're doing here. Okay, so this is not actually important. So let's call this the counter. If counter is greater than, let's say, 10. So after we go through like 10 rounds, that's when we start introducing the third instrument. So we'll just copy and paste this. It'll be, instead of P1, it'll be, this will introduce P3. And what about the timing? Macro per time. Let's try this out. Let's just do this. Let's see how it sounds. Oh no, list of index. What? Oh, debugging now. That's weird. Okay, then just for I in number of instruments, we'll just do this. I. Check +1. Do we need check +1? Do we? I think the channel needs to. Well, do we need, wait. Okay, it seems like we ran out of tracks. Let's just comment this out. Oh, that worked. Okay. Actually, let's just take out the melody first. That's kind of distracting. Let's take out the melody. And let's just go pure by percussion. Oh, okay, that's weird. Wait, let's just do after 5. Oh, you hear the third one? Oh, wait, what? Ir ir mm, you know what? Let's just do P1. P2. I think it would be better if we just can just visualize what this looks like. Okay, let's look at this. P1, P2, P1, P2, P1, P2. Okay, look. P1, 2, 3, P1. Oh, yeah, that works. P1, 2, 3, P1, 2, 3, P1, 2, 3. That seems to be working. So yeah, why not? Let's just try again. Okay, so there is some sense of build up right now, which is pretty good. Duration. I think this should be in the class itself, because right now the beats are all spaced apart evenly, so it's like d d d d, which sounds very boring. You want some to play fast and some to play slow, so it'll be like d d d d d, you know what I'm talking about. So instead of so because all these instruments share the same duration, so each note has the same time duration. So let's try and make sure that each instrument has its own unique duration. So maybe let's instead of this, we do self dot duration equals. We do it in its actual class itself. So self dot duration random uniform. So this means between 0.25 seconds and 1 second. Yeah. Alright, let's comment that out. And for the perk duration here, we just do P1 dot duration. Yeah, P1 dot duration. And this goes into here. This one is P2 dot duration. And this one goes in here. And this is P3 dot duration. Alright, let's see if this works. Well, okay, that's cool. But why? But when the second instrument came in, it replaced. When the third instrument came in, it replaced the second one. I don't know why. Why did like? It was like before. It was there were two instruments playing. Then after the 5 counter mark, the third came in, but replaced the second instrument. So it's just still just 2 instruments playing. So let's try to fix that. Oh yeah. Let's hear that again. and we can take away this stuff. No. So 2 instruments. Oh no, there's 3. There's 3. There's 3. Yeah. Okay. So there were 3 playing in that. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I think that's pretty good. In terms of melody, we just reinstate this. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh. So here I have electric bass and synth as the percussions. Oh, that sounds so weird. That sounds so weird. But we're having more variety though. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's clean up our logging. So we print inst class. Let's print inst class and inst gm. Let's do this. So we can do print inst class is this. And print. Oh no, let's do this in one line. Let's do this in one line. So print class is this. While inst gm is this. Yeah, that's cute. It's good. Alright. Let's do that. Oh no, we didn't. We have to select. Just pretend this. Wanna be able to select the actual thing. So actually, just do it down there. Yeah, that's better. Int it'll be int num. That's better. Alright, cool. So here we'll be able to get a specific instrument. Oh, now I get it. Now I know why sometimes we could only hear 2 instruments when we thought we specified 3. That's because we have this last scene bit. So if we, that's why. See, in this case, look. You can see how we only created 2 objects. You see that? Oh, actually, oh no, we created 4. Oh, that's weird. Okay, never mind. I take that back. But I think the reason is that because you notice how we got the same instrument. Yeah, you see that? The all electric bass, and we got the same instrument from that. So there's overlap. So that's why we couldn't hear any distinction. And that's why some of the tracks sounded so boring, because they're using the same instrument twice. So we've got to count for that. Oh man. Okay, so if it's not seen, else, so Ari asks, is this Python? Yes, it is Python. Yeah. It's Python. Okay, this can die. So how do we choose a new instrument when we find one that is already taken? And maybe also we should. Hmm. How to reselect from list if already seen? I'm sure there's a solution around that. How to reselect unique values from list. Yo, that's good. Doesn't keep to account. Oh. NumPy, I don't want to use NumPy. So Ari said you're learning Python as well. That's cool. That's awesome. Python is really useful. You can do a lot of Python. It's also a very readable language. And how long did it take me to get this good? Oh, thank you. Thank you for thinking that I'm good. Maybe 3 years. I would say 3 years. I'm not a pro in Python. I just build a lot of random stuff, and eventually that just kind of like self installs into your mind. So yeah. How to randomly select unique value from list Python. Nah. Oh, this one. Randomly select from list with repetition in Python. This is what I want. Oh, sample. Oh. Oh. Sample. Ah. Alright. Alright. Let's try it. Alright. Oh, I gotta import random. Oh, that's awesome. That's so good. Let's use sample. Alright. How do we incorporate that? Okay. Okay. So this is all the same. We leave this. So if we get a percussion instrument, what we're gonna do is we're going to specify a selected instrument. Actually, does this work? Wait, I want to see if it works on a dictionary. let's see if it works in the dictionary. So let's just say A equals, 1, A is 3, B, oh, what's that? B is 2, C is 6. Alright, let's try that. Does this work on a dictionary? What's that? Is it? No, it is. And we want to specify the number. Let's say 1, 2. Oh snap, did I miss something? Oh, I missed it. Snap, I have to do that again. And do this. Expected. Well, what? Oh, right, we didn't do this, so it's here, and then there. Cool, so that works. Alright, so we can do this with a dictionary. Alright. I keep saying alright, I should stop saying alright. So we're going to say selected inst equals random dot sample list number of instruments. Okay, and it will be percussion dict all items. Yeah, that works. And we go into here, same thing. Okay, so selected instruments will be the number of random samples. You randomly select unique instruments from percussion dict. This one will be male dict. You have a number of instruments that you want, and this returns. What does it return? It returns a list. Okay. You want the value though. So for I in range. Okay, so I have to reuse. So for I in range. So for I in range of selected inst, we're going to randomly choose selected. So each element of selected inst is this. Actually, wait, let's just not use this. We just do for I in selected inst, and then this can just be channel, same thing. And then for selected inst, let's just do SI. It will be, so each element of that array is a tuple. You want to get the second value of the tuple, so it will be SI1, not ST, SI. This allows us to get the tuple GM values. Let's try that. I forgot the colon. Int class is not defined, of course, it's here. Alright, so int class is, this is simple, just do si dot 1, and this is SI.2. Oh no. It'll just be int numbers. I want to get the actual number. Alright, cool. Yes, that works. Alright, so now we have unique instruments. Yay! So here. Oh no, we didn't. Oh, okay, no. This should be 0. Let's try that again. Alright, now we have is yes. Sampler 92, synth 104, drums 117. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Ooh. Let's do one more. Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. Alright. Now, it still doesn't sound K-pop-ish. So let's do more research. We got the bass. Let's do more research. Pop and K-pop are basically the same, right? So we can just go with this. What instruments are commonly used in pop music? That's a good question. Alright, same stuff. Okay, so we can delete this, delete that. So we don't have to worry about last scene because they're all unique. So we can delete this and we can indent this. I can delete this. Just making sure everything still works after that. Right, cool. And we don't need last scene because they're all unique. Cool. Do we need to? Yeah, we need track. This is so cool. Programmers are crazy skilled. Thank you, M. Thank you. What I'm trying to do here is I don't know. I'm not sure if it's achievable. So, but I appreciate the motivation. Yeah. Okay. So, alright. So what do we do? So we got unique instruments. Each instrument has a unique timing. We can specify the number. So let's actually make a Alright, let's actually be more professional and actually import args. And what's the chord again? Is it? Oh, I forgot. Is it a nit? No. It's like namespace. No. What's the thing again? Oh, main something. Main. Oh, there we go. We want to use this. Yeah, this is all I want. So we're gonna have this if name equals init. So yeah. Then run this. Okay, so I want to specify the number of instruments. So instead of doing range here, we can do like song duration, and this will be song duration. And how we do song duration? And how to do all the arg stuff, arguments. It's arg pass or something. I remember. Oh my gosh, why is this so complicated? So arg pass. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's all we need. So. DN said, I don't know coding but still watching. Thank you. But some people say this coding live stream is very therapeutic for them. It's like watching paint dry. So if that's so, then thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, so parser equals args parser arguments. Parser description let K-pop music produced by a bot. Wow. Alright, and then we need to pass our add argument, and our argument would be song duration, and it will be an integer. And default, if we don't specify what the integer is, the default will be 50. Cool. And we've got to do args equals parser dot pass args, and it will be args dot song duration. Alright, that should make it more clean. So let's try this. So now we can do python main.py song duration equals 100. Oh snap. No module named args. Did I not import this? Or import args pass. Let's put args pass. Oh no. Is that arg pass or args pass? Oh, there's no S. That works. This should work. Oh no. Did I not? Wait, what? Oh, arg pass, not args pass. Yeah, this should die. Right. Add argument is not defined. Oh, that's because we did a comma, not full stop. The following arguments are required to song. Did I not do song duration? I specify song duration. What? This is weird. Wait, what? The following arguments are. I specified it. Is there a different spelling? I don't know. Do I have to also. Let me just import args. No module name law, so there's no such thing as args. Oh, what is this? Wait, how what? Parser pass args. Are there different spelling? don't you need to put a space instead of a? Oh, right, yeah. Oh no, unrecognized arguments, song duration. Wait, how does it work again? How don't you need to put a space instead of? Oh, how do I do this again? I forgot. I forgot. Oh my gosh. Wait, how do we? I bet it's just syntax. I bet this is all correct. It's just the syntax I forgot. Is it only one hyphen? Let's try. No. Let's just change the name. Let's just do like length. Length. No. Tried all variations. Oh, how did I do this? I swear I used to be able to do this. Oh, do we just need to do 10? Oh my. I didn't need to specify the action. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so used to Node.js. In Node.js, which is like the server version of JavaScript, you have to specify the flag and then the value, but in Python, you just specify the argument straight away. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Oh man. Alright, let's see. This one should work now. Alright, cool. Alright, let's add in more instruments. It's sounding kind of boring with these instruments. Alright, let's go back to our K-pop research. Delete these. Okay, so guitar, bass, drum set, piano, sometimes bass, guitar. Alright, let's add in some more guitars. We don't have any guitars here. Let's add in some guitars. Yeah, why not? This is where strings, string bass. Alright, we should add in this stuff. So guitar 25, 26, 27, 28. Cool, we've got this. Let's add in another percussion instrument. So we got these two. Let's just add in all of them. Let's add in all of them. Let's bring in the whole family together. Yeah, let's bring in the whole fam. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Cool. Yeah. What's a synth lead? What is that? I don't know what that is. Sawtooth. Actually, we should create a test function. You create a test function. Oh, with flag. How do we say with flags? Answer class. How to enter. Oh, okay. We should do flags in Python 3. Ah, we do like, oh, we just have to specify that. Easy. Just do add argument. Oh, we're supposed to put the double thing there. Really? Is that how you... Oh... No, 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 no. Yeah, that's how we do it, right? Yeah, alright, cool. We just have to add in that double thing. Okay, so T-Boy said synth lead is synth sound for melody. Alright, we got it in the sampler bit. Okay, let's just use the actual term. So, this is called synth pad. Let's call it synth pad. So let's call this male synth pad. We call this bass synth pad. Let's add in synth effects. Synth effects. That will be in the percussion bit. Oh no, we already got that. So synth effects is that. And because I don't think they will work as, because these are effects, I don't think they sound good as a melody. We can add in some ethnic, like BTS Idol, or those traditional music, traditional sounds. Yeah, let's add in ethnic. Yeah, ethnic. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111. Cool. Sound effects. Let's add in some sound effects. I think they'll sound cool. Because you have some random songs which have like these crazy ad-libs. So let's put that in. So sound effect. Let's choose reverse symbol. That sounds good. Oh, breath noise. That sounds pretty good as well. So that. Seashore, bird tweet, or telephone ring is a very annoying sound. And applause. Let's do applause. Let's just choose a few. Right. Oh, need a comma. Oh, did we not save? Let's save. Okay, so got sound effects ins 127. All right, this one sounds pretty diverse. Let's hear it. Oh! Oh! I don't know what that sounds like, but that sounds pretty dope. Let's try not. Alright, let's do new one. Lit 11th of Feb 21. I don't know what K-pop group will go with this track. Comment below. Which K-pop group do you think will go along with this track? I don't know. This sounds like one of the probably an NCTU type of song. They always go with these really futuristic sounds. Alright, let's try another one. Alright, this one sounds pretty different as well. Okay, I'm not sure. That sounds quite random. That sounds pretty similar. It sounds all too light though. I want some heavy. I want some heavy sounds. Maybe we need to add in the steel drums and stuff like that. Yeah, this sounds way too happy. I need some drums, more drums in there. So maybe we might need to mandate a drum. Might need to mandate this stuff. So how do we do that? Alright, so alright, percussive, steel drums. Oh, we did have that in there. Alright, so maybe we need to get at least 2 drums. Maybe we should have a... Yeah. Okay, maybe we can do this. We can do... That's else if, and we just do here. If inst type equal drum, then we just mandate up here. It will just be selected instrument. Oh no, it will choose off order. No. Alright, no. No, we have to do it inside this loop. So the first 2 percussion instruments will always be drums, no matter what. Should we do that? Or should we make that a dynamic option? We should also have like a mood type of bit here. Mood. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Alright. We should do enumerate. So if that's the instrument itself, we should do counter. Alright, so for counter instrument, we do this. And we need to use the counter for if counter is less than 2. So if we're going through the 2 instruments, we have to mandate a percussion. Yeah. If a counter is less than 2, then we need... Oh, this is tough. No, int num will just be random choice be just a random choice of perc_dict drums. Yeah, it will just be a random list. It will be a random choice of perc_dict drums. Else, we go with whatever is inside the thing. Cool, that should work. So we should get at least 2 drums in our thing. Okay. Oh, now got some heaviness. That sounds really bad. Oh, accidentally closed my thing. Oh, it's okay. Alright. At least we got some depth to it, so it doesn't sound all too happy and cheery at the same time. T-Boy asks, do you only use a small set of notes for every instrument? Yeah, for now, like for the melody, we have like these main two sets. We can add in more. I'm just trying to get the sound right. Yeah. Also, for the percussion instruments, we're not using any notes. There are no notes for the percussion instruments. It's only for melody. Yeah. So that addresses that. Oh, we can change pitch. Pitch. I think the speed's a bit weird. Let's make it a rule that no. Okay, what about if the percussion instrument is the same as the first percussion instrument? Let's just try this. Let's just say if they all have the same duration. Oh no, that affects the melody. The melody is gonna be a drum as well. Oh, that's why it doesn't sound right. Oh no, we can't do this. We can't do it like that. Oh no. Okay, so if count is less than 2, we just add a condition here. And inst type. Oh, that's simple. And inst type is perk. We just do that. So for melody, we can just go what we have. Should be okay. Oh, that's better. That sounds pretty cool. There's like a squeaky mouse in the background as well. Alright. Alright. Oh, this one's kind of creepy. This is kind of creepy. Which K-pop group does creepy music? Probably Vix. Maybe a Vix. Yeah, this might be a Vix song. Nah, too happy. Too generic. Oh, Dreamcatcher, yeah. This might be a Dreamcatcher song. Dreamcatcher. Alright. Alright. Let's add in more stuff. So we clearly have like a structure set. We're just adding in more variety. I guess that's basically what we need to do. Alright, let's take away some of this actually, let's take away the synth pad from melody. Let's take away the synth pad from percussion. I think that sounds a bit annoying. Yeah, actually, let's just keep this simple. Let's keep the bass simple. Yeah. Let's see if it sounds more clear. Oh, sample lot. Alright. Oh, I see. We need to have 3 percussion instruments then. We want 3. I want to take away this. That's better. Alright. Oh, that's way cleaner. This is way cleaner. Yeah, that's much better. When we take away the synth from the bass, it sounds way cleaner. Wait, we couldn't keep the percussion simple. The bass simple. Okay. I don't think vocal chops. What group? What group would get? What group would have this song? I don't know. This sounds like a Shiny song. I don't know why. I don't know. Shiny. It sounds like a Shiny song. Okay. Eventually we need to have some machine learning algorithm in there to like choose to select best songs, because we can go on forever just generating stuff. So RA said, is this an algorithm? Yeah, this whole thing is an algorithm, I guess. Yeah, we're trying to build it. Oh, Ganeshan is suggesting all these groups. 2 p.m. Maybe. Okay, let's add in some more percussion. Yeah, I think this one's pretty good here. Yeah, synth lead. Oh, let's add. Oh, we got voice. We got voice. We got voice in synth lead. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do voices here. Voice. What's a fifth? Actually, let's just use all of them. I don't know what a sawtooth is. What's a chiff? What's a charan? 86, 87, 88. So let's call this synth lead. I'm waiting for a synth lead. Ethnic, piano, synth pad, guitar, ethnic, synth pad. Oh, we should have a function that allows us to specify instrument without having to go through. Actually, it would be cool if we could add in an argument that allows us to actually specify instruments and have to go through randomly. Maybe that would make more sense. And we have like all the algorithm in the back just to like compile the notes for us. So let's actually do that. Let's actually find a way to choose our instruments. And let's say the default is randomized, but if we actually import in our choices, it'll create a track like that. Let's go with that idea. So how do we do that? How do we do that? Oh, it's hard. It's gonna be around here. It's gonna be around here. Alright, we need some pseudocode for this. Alright. Hang with me. Alright. In our main bit, we're gonna have an argument that says random and will either be true or false. the default will be true. Oh no, we don't. No. It will be argument specify our instruments. And here the computer will ask us to input our bass and input our melody. And then we're going to input them as an array, as a tuple, whatever. So the response will be in a tuple. Oh no, it only allows for string inputs. Oh man. Is there a way to convert string to list? Oh, convert string to list. Oh no, that's not no. I didn't mean that. Okay, cool. Alright. Okay, we have to add actually the argument will be number of percussion, and there'll always be one melody. So we can number of percussion. It'll default will be 2, and then we specify the percussions and actually it'll be arg random true or false. If true, then these instead of these being arguments, they'll just be inputs. It will just be input that it will just be if true, we are given the choice to input that, but the default is false. So if we don't put in our argument, it will just default just be randomized. Alright, let's do that. So parser add argument. Alright, so here it will be random. Type will be a boolean. Do I do? Oh, that's just bool. Default will be true. Okay, so if args.random is false, we need to do system input. How do I do system input? Is it import? Python import. Oh, it's just that. Oh, it's just that. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're going to specify number of instruments. Input. It'll be how many percussion instruments? The number of per. How many percussion or how many bass instruments? How many bass instruments? And we do that. Yeah. And then please at least 2. Okay. Let's try that first. Let's just try that first. So length is 100, and let's just say random equals false. Oh no, it doesn't specify what we need. Oh. False. No. What? Oh, bug, yeah. Wait, how come this is not working? If args.random equals false, what? Just print. Why did this not go through? Why is it not going through? Why have we not gone through this? Is there something wrong with this? We'll take this away. What if we take this away? What's wrong? Oh, we should do this. Action. Maybe. I think Boolean argument lines have a different. If not, we'll just use 0 and 1. Doesn't matter. It's okay. We'll just do. You know what? Let's just do string. String. Type equals string. str. Default equals true. Let's just do the string version. Same thing, right? Same effect. I don't want to waste too much time over this. It should work. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, oh cool. Alright, so we can do that into space here. I don't know what went wrong here. Okay, so if args random equals that. Okay. 2. And we need a check. So print type of number of work. Let's make sure it's a string. Oh, not defined. Oh, it's type. I'm so used to JavaScript, so I might get the syntax wrong. Does it say? Oh. Oh, I need to print. Oh my gosh, I need to print the type. In JavaScript, you don't have to do that. It'll just tell you the type of the variable without having to print. Alright, it's a string. Cool. Alright. So we need to make sure that if int number of perk is greater than 2, was greater than or equal to 2, because we can accept 2 as a minimum. Okay. Then we added another one. Specify for in to specify the range. Okay, no. We start with this. So we have instrument GM empty list, and we're going to ask them to import this. So it will just be int GM list, and we're going to ask them int GM equals import enter GM of based instrument I'll just do I. Oh, that should work. And then we're going to append this with the integer variation of version of of instGM. We should call this base GM, to be honest. Actually, this should be up here because. Oh no, it can be down there. It can be up there. It can be up there. We should call this base GM. Base GM. Base GM. Base GM. Base GM. Alright. And then once we've done that, else we just say print what the fuck. You did not give 2 instruments. Go back to preschool. Alright. Let's do this. How many instruments? I want to specify 5. Int is not iterable. Alright, okay, we're gonna put in range. Of course, it's just that. Python is cool, but the thing I don't like about Python is just the for loop. It's just kind of weird. Yeah. Alright, cool. N23, 34, 13, 43, 23. Alright, cool. That works. Alright, so we need to make sure every time we append GM means the number of the instrument. So every instrument is represented by a number. That number is called a GM. That's all. Yeah. I don't know what it stands for. What does it stand for? It stands for general MIDI. Yeah, general MIDI. Yeah. Alright. And then we just specify melody. melody GM, input enter GM of melody instruments, and then mel GM will just be the integer of that. Yep. Cool. Does that work? Let's try that. Cool, that works. Alright. So that's when it's false. Then when you have these, so basically what we'll have here is that base, there'll be a base GM list, will be a list, and there'll be a mel GM, will just be an integer. Oh no, it's integer. So we need to accommodate for that in this. Okay. So in song main, so this here is all fine. Actually, we should rename this. We should simplify our main. Let's simplify our main. And this should be called just produce output. So produce output requires song duration. It also requires you to I have to think. So ultimately you want to return a dictionary. No. Wait, what do I have to do here? Why am I separating this? So main, ultimate song duration, dictionary. And dictionary. That's right. You put in perk object dict and mel object dict. So that'll take care of that. Okay, so here you put in song duration and you also have to put in random true or false. Now, if random true or false is false, then we go by with this thing. Oh yeah, this is looking good. You go by this, and then you pass this into that. And then you just do that. Yeah. And so that accommodates for the random case. So we're gonna put instruments here. So this is where we do random music. This is where we have selected music or select random instruments. Okay, that seems to be good. We can comment that out. And now, if random, it should be elif. Oh no, this is a string now because we're not using the actual boolean. We're actually using strings. True. If it's true, Then it'll... Oh, okay. It's true. Then it'll just be base GM list and mail GM. And you can have optional parameters. How do we do optional parameters? Oh, I can just do that. Okay, cool. Equals none. So if we don't specify these parameters, then the assumed value is none. Okay, and we just create a dictionary. So here, per object dict equals we're gonna do this manually, so it will be okay. So perf object dict is empty dictionary for bg in base GM list. We're going to use our class, so we're going to instantiate it like this. Oh, if this specified. Oh no. No, it doesn't matter, just do this. Okay, P equals instrument number, string instrument number equals BG track. Track and channel is both 0. So I'll just do enumerate then. Counter. Both track and channel just be the same as counter. Counter. And we just per dot oh, to do this as well. Yeah, that's... Am I going to sing the lyrics? Yeah, sure, why not? Why not? Yeah, why not? If you want to go to the hospital and get your ears treated, then yeah, sure, I'll sing the lyrics for you. Cool. Yeah, that should work for that. And just do the same thing. Oh, I'm repeating so much code. I'm repeating so much code. It's not clean. So guys, if you're like a pro coder, you see me repeating code, sorry. I'm just trying to like test things out. I'll eventually refactor everything. So it'll just be the same thing up here. It'd be string b g. So mel GM's gonna be a number only. So just be mel GM. Mel GM. And for counter, we're going to use, this is going to be so not clean. It'll be the length of base BGM list plus 1. Because we're adding the instrument in addition to these bass, so we're going to do that. So it's plus 1. And then it'll be, so let's call this B. Let's call this bass. Hopefully this works after all of this. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to end this live stream. Oh man. Alright, and mel. That should work. Mel. And we're just going to add this to the dictionary. Even though there's only one in the dictionary. Oh, this was basic. Not string counter anymore. It's not just string, just zeros. So there's only going to be one. It's only one melody. Oh, no, I want it to be something like this. And just be mel. Alright, once we have that down, then we just do produce output. That. Hopefully that works. Let's just first try the random function, just to make sure everything works. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, not the inconsistent use of tabs thing. Oh, I'm so scared of that. Oh no, it has that thing. Oh cool, this doesn't seem that bad. I remember in my previous live stream, that error caused me to like, wasted me like 10 minutes because I was trying to like figure out how to fix up the formatting, but yeah, hopefully it works now. Oh, now what? Line 169. I'll just take this away. Oh yeah, true. We forgot to add in this. Yeah. Alright. Alright. So if args is false, then main. So it'll be args random. That's it. That's it. Else, we just do main args. Oh no. We just do. Oh no, we have to do this. Main args random. Base GM list. Mel GM. Else, let's just do elif, just to be safe. Elif args random equals true. We just do args, so we'll just do this. Beautiful, man, that's the good one. And just for completeness, else if we didn't specify anything properly, bruh. Yeah, I sorry if I mispronounced your username. I mean JKYG's my bias. Yeah, this code will be on GitHub once I get to a stage where I'm satisfied. So maybe after part 3 or I don't know how many parts this will take me, but yeah. Oh, let's fix this error. Line 161 it's gonna be false. Oh my gosh, false. It's gonna be true. I got these two switched around. Alright, this should work. Yes. Oh, that worked. Alright, so this is the random version. So everything's still the same. Random version. Let's try the. Now let's try. Oh, snap. If random is false. Okay, how many bass instruments do one? Let's say we do one. Yeah, okay, that's good. Alright. But it still allows you to specify melody instruments. That's not right. That's not right. Actually, you should just put it in this then. Yeah, put it here. That works. Okay, that works. Alright, how many bass instruments? Let's do 3. Okay, let's specify instruments. Let's go with. Let's choose 115. Steel drums. Let's go with applause 127. And let's go with I don't know 120 reverse cymbal. Alright, melody instrument. Let's go with oh what? Voice is part of strings? What? Voice is considered strings? Hell yeah, let's go with a voice. Let's go with 55. Oh snap, it doesn't work. Alright, what is this? List index out of range. Oh, snipe. No worry, we nearly there. We just have to fix this error. Line 164. track. Let me just do the same thing up here. Let's just do the same thing up here. Track channel. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. I know why this doesn't work, because we never, this should always be 0. We don't need this. This should always be 0, and this should always be 0. Yeah, track never changes. Track is always 0. Track is always 0. Channel can change. It should work. This should work. Oh, I forgot my numbers. Let's write them down. Let's write our numbers down so we don't forget. Alright. 115, 120, 127, and melody is 55. Alright, let's do this. Alright, enter GM of bass instrument 115, 120, 127, and 55. Instrument number. Instrument name. I forgot to do. Instrument number. Where is this? Program change. Instrument number. It's not. It's supposed to be instrument number. My bad. It's supposed to be instrument number. Seems like it's going through that list properly though, so that should be good. Alright, sorry guys, let's do this again. 3. Oh! Let's go! It compiled. It compiled. And we made our instruments. Let's hear it. Dude! Dude! Let's go! Yo! That sounded way better. Hear it again. Oh wait. Oh, the melody notes ran out. I have to fix that. Oh, so I have to fix the melody syncing up with the bass. But yo, yeah, it is a little Blackpink. It's got that Blackpink vibe. Yo. Oh, bro, that's so cool. That is so cool. We can now specify instruments, and if we can't be bothered, we can just go random. This is lit. Oh my gosh. The possibilities, yo. The possibilities. Okay, that's like I agree, that's a Blackpink type of track. Alright, okay, I'm gonna end the live stream like the next 5 or 10 minutes. So let's just have fun. Just let me know your instruments, what type of instruments you want to put in. Alright, so let's continue with 3 instruments. 3 bass. All right, let's choose our instruments. Let's go with a synth drum, 119. Let's go with breath noise. I don't know what that sounds like, but that sounds interesting. And let's go with gunshot. Let's go with gunshot. I don't know. Let's have some old school BTS. Let's make an old school BTS song. And melody. Let's do orchestra here. Let's make it sound epic. Let's go! Alright. See? In less than 1 second, he proves the track. Okay, that sounded a bit boring. Alright, let's do another one. I guess it's just a matter of like trying to work out which is the best instrument combo. Alright, so Ganeshan suggested seashore, saxophone. Alright, so okay, let's go with saxophone. So it's just I like steel drums. Steel drums are a very stable instrument. And seashore, okay, seashore 1, 2, 3. Let's go with echoes. Let's go with echoes 103. And where is saxophone? Oh, there's so many saxophones. Let's go with 65. Oh, I didn't type in the number properly. Oh, I specified 115. Okay, no. That was a typo. Let's do that again. 3. Alright, let's do that. Oh. And saxophone. Alright. That's weird. But that was pretty cool though. That was weird. Alright, let's play a few more. Let's play more steel drums as a stable instrument. Let's do a synth drum as well. Oh no, I specified in the wrong area. Alright, let's do 3. Steel drum. Let's do woodblock. And let's do gunshot. Alright. Melody. Let's choose wisely. Melody. What's a heavy hitting melody? Orchestra hit. Let's do that again. What's is that choir? It sounds so annoying, this choir thing. Let's do it. Okay. Let's just try different. Oh no, I keep forgetting to specify number of instruments first. Oh my. One 115 116. Right. Let's go with piano. What does piano sound like? Let's go with piano. What is which K-pop group will have this song? I don't know, you guys decide. Yeah, it sounds like a nursery rhyme, it does, yeah. Okay, let's do one more and then let's end it. Let's end this live stream. I think I've been going on for 2.5 hours, I think. Alright. Yeah, the wood block does make it sound a bit random. Yeah. Alright. Steel drum. Taiko drum. Reverse cymbal. Oh no, I keep... sorry guys. Alright. What's an epic sound? Epic. Something that's super epic. Nah, these sound too classical. It's gotta be like one of these things. Pad, soundtrack, crystal. You guys decide the final one. What's the melody? What should the melody be? Bras? Oh, bra. Okay. Guitar solo. Let's go guitar. Let's go guitar. Electric bass. What's the difference between the pick and the finger? Does it? Let's go. Oh, this. Let's go with clean. 28. 28. All right. Final track for the day. Let's go. That's disappointing. I don't think guitars sound good in here. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. I'm not satisfied. Let's end this on a really good note. Let's end it on a high note. Pun intended. Alright. Like 115, 120, and let's do like applause. 127. Oh wait. Oh no. It's the wrong thing. I probably need a better way of inputting these values. It takes way too long to do this. Oh well. I should have a way to save values, save my preferences. But oh well. Let's go with 127. Alright. New age. That's a good way to end it. Let's head into this with an, I don't know. Let's new age. All right. Oh no, the gunshots ruined it. I'm not satisfied. We need to do one more. Need to do one more. Oh my. Okay, so no gunshots. Drums are still good, so keep the 115. Oh no, not the applause. No, 127. Let's do taiko drum. New age sounded boring. Banjo. Let's do banjo. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that sounds a bit random as well, though. Alright, one more. One more. And then that's it. I'm done. I have to go to sleep. It's 10:58 in my time. This is fun. This is actually quite addictive, though. It's quite addictive. Oh, no. Let's put some vocals then. Orchestra hit. 56. Let's get some vocals in there. It's so good this so got the same sound. Oh let's listen back to our Blackpink one. Yeah, that's a good one. That's my favorite one. Dude, so good. So good. Alright, I think next time, for our next coding live stream, I think maybe we could start thinking about machine learning. I don't know, maybe. Like maybe we could have a way so that every time we enter in a value, it will save a record of the combinations that we got, and then we need to have like some sort of labeling system where if I think something is good, it will save a label of that. If something is bad, it will like make a note of that, and eventually, out of the ones that I think are good, it will try to find a pattern in those instrument combinations, and eventually we'll be able to get lit tracks such as that Blackpink one that we had. So, anyways, thank you all for tuning in and just helping out with suggestions. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm really excited that we made some really cool progress today, and I'm really surprised that I was able to go through like this very few errors. Yeah, but anyways, enjoy your day and see you guys next time.